Some places don't just look beautiful, they feel like they're waiting for you. And when you found one, you just know. It's it's designed really intentionally. You walked in and there's this long pond right down the middle. Open ceiling, natural light. It's minimal, but not cold. It still feels warm, like calm on purpose. I don't know, there's something about Chiang Mai. It doesn't like rush you. And this place, this hotel, it kind of feels like that too. Quiet, thoughtful, like it was built to match the pace of the city. The room's nice. Soft tones, warm textures. There's a mix of clean lines and a bit of vintage. You get touches of wood, little details that feel handpicked. And when you slide down, the balcony doors open. There's the garden. And yeah, the river's just right there. It all just slows you down. The dining area feels warm, not just the light, but the way it connects to everything. You see the walkway, the kitchen, and there's this little shelf with Thai snacks for sale. You can smell something cooking, like garlic or broth, maybe something sweet. It's open, simple, but it kind of feels like home. The pool's right next to the Ping River. It's a cool contrast. One is still and clear, and the other's moving and muddy. The river's been like that the past few days. Rain came heavy, so the water's turned thick and brown. But it's part of the story. The river's not here to impress. It just flows, like it always has. And this place, it doesn't try to block that out. It just sits with it. My room's in a small villa just off from the main building. After a full day of walking, it's nice to have a place like this to return to. It's quiet, a little tucked away, and it feels like it's waiting for me. The water's warm, the kind that makes you feel like you've arrived. And as the day winds down, I think about how much beauty can sit in stillness. No rush, no noise, just presence.